Hi guys, welcome to Common Crypto Stocks. Today I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies and ICOs. This is going to be like the cryptocurrency 101. I'm not going to get involved in trying to tell you what cryptocurrency is or what it does, strictly just to kind of invest in it. So if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, blockchain, that type of stuff, there's plenty of other videos that can talk about that. I'm just going to kind of focus on investing in it. Okay, so your kind of big cap cryptocurrencies is of course Bitcoin. That's probably the one that most people have heard of by now. Next is Ethereum. A lot of people may not have been hearing about that yet. I actually prefer Ethereum to Bitcoin because it has some other uses and it's not just a cryptocurrency. So businesses have uses for it. There's a couple other really good videos that will explain the difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're just kind of talking about investing in them. Next is going to be Litecoin, your Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple. Those are all kind of the next ones as far as market cap, where they're at. Those are the more popular ones. As crazy as cryptocurrencies are and as fast as they're going up and quite possibly as fast as they could go down, those are going to be your more stable ones. Bitcoin started the year at 1,000. It's now at about 18,000. I kind of expect it possibly to hit 20,000 by the end of the year. I think within the next 2018, end of 2018, Bitcoin could be between 35 to 45,000. And that seems kind of crazy, but if you look at it, that's kind of Bitcoin maybe doubling from where it's at now. And as exciting as that seems, there's other ICOs that you can invest in that are going to, could possibly return 50 times, 100 times your investment in that same period of time. So I'm going to kind of focus on, the more off the wall cryptocurrencies you may not have heard of, ICOs, stuff like that. So I would also caution everyone, look, you should not be investing more than 10% of your net worth into cryptocurrencies. It's really volatile, it's really dangerous, okay? So with these ICOs I'm going to talk about, that should be like a birthday party for your kids, so hey, for some people that might be $500, for some people that may be $2,500. So you got to think of it like that, this is something that could turn into nothing, or you could take your $500 and turn it into 50,000. But you can't gamble with an ICO or really, really unknown cryptocurrency with more than you're willing to lose. Now, one I'm going to give you that's a really good tip. I first heard about the new economy movement. People call it NEM, and the cryptocurrency for that is called ZEM, Z-E-M. And you can't buy that on Coinbase. You can only get that from Bittrex or other exchanges. It's a little more complicated. You're going to have to go to Coinbase, open up an account there, either buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, transfer that into Bittrex, and then you can trade for New Economy Movement and the ZEM, Z-E-M. Anyway, when I first heard about that, it was about 22 cents, for that cryptocurrency. It surged up to close to 80 cents. It's backed off a little bit. Now it's right around 60 cents, and I would still recommend that for someone. That one's been out for a while, so it's really not, it's not like a gambling where I would say, hey, think birthday party here. You could go a little bit more into that one, say your standard kind of cryptocurrencies. You could make New Economy Movement 20 or 25% of your kind of portfolio of the larger cap cryptocurrencies. I believe New Economy Movement by the end of 2018 could be between $2 to $3. So if Bitcoin's going to double, this one could triple to quadruple. So you'll probably make more money with New Economy Movement. I'm going to talk about a couple other ICOs in another video. There's a few coming out that I like. There's a few that we're going to be watching, and we'll kind of keep you updated on that a little bit later. But this is kind of like cryptocurrency 101. I don't want you guys to go in there and I'm going all into some crazy thing. I'm gonna put 50,000 into Ripple. don't do that unless, you know, you're willing to lose that. You just, it could be worth nothing someday. It could be worth a huge amount, but, you know, think, you know, 10% of your net worth. That's kind of where you need to be. I mean, if you really are like want to gamble, maybe go 20% into cryptocurrencies. But still, you know, try and keep the majority of that, at least 80% of everything you're going to do in cryptocurrencies, into the ones I mentioned before, the larger cap ones. And you can dabble with the ICOs, and if one of those hits, you know, I'll talk about it, and I'll say, hey, I recommended this one, it's gone up. Now I'm recommending you kind of transfer a little bit out of that into something else, because you know, you don't want to have a cryptocurrency go from a penny to $20 and then have it go back down to a penny, and not have, you know, move some of that money around so that you're able to keep it. All right, thanks guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and give me some comments. If any of you know about any other ICOs that you want me to do a review on, please let's share the wealth, you know, and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.